Hi there, my name is Ingrid Berkeley and I am your Product Marketing Manager for Controls and Indoor Air Quality here at Lennox. Lennox is proud to announce an update in our zoning product lineup with a refresh of our LZP2 and LZP4 zoning solutions that are ready to exceed your customers' comfort system needs. So we have exciting news that LZP2 and LZP4 zoning solutions now provide a simple layout and are easier to install. Their complete makeover features a modular contemporary design to the panel that's easy to read and even easier to install. Here are a few of the updated LZP2 and LZP4 benefits and features. The enclosed electronics protect the internal components from dust and damage. LED lights offer easy visibility, intuitive active calls, and show damper position in an active zone. Resettable fuses, so there's never a need to change burnt fuses. And push-down terminals and color-coded terminal labels for an easier install. The updated LZP2 is for single-stage air conditioning applications. The LZP2 can heat or cool up to 2 zones, giving your customers total room-to-room comfort, year-round energy savings, and consistently perfect air. While the LZP2 model number remains the same, the current category number has changed from X3785 to the updated CAT number X7766. The streamlined LZP4 is for single-stage or 2-stage applications. LZP4 can heat or cool up to 4 zones. This high level of performance delivers not only customer satisfaction, but saves you time, providing a smooth and easy installation. Like the LZP2, the LZP4 model number remains the same. However, the current CAT number has changed from X3786 to the updated category number X7768. In addition to our other Lennox zoning system products, the Harmony 3 delivers room-to-room temperature control for multi-stage variable capacity applications. The iHarmony is used in combination with premium Lennox iComfort enabled equipment. Both the Harmony 3 and the iHarmony put heating and cooling exactly where you want it, so your temperatures stay consistent from floor to floor and room to room. Did you know that 7 out of 10 HVAC buyers are willing to add additional controls if they can increase home comfort and save energy? Homeowners want zoning solutions, and now you can give it to them. With the sleek, stylish LZP2 and LZP4 zoning products, you have the right solutions to satisfy your customers' need for perfect air while generating more revenue back into your business. Take a look at our in-depth Lennox zoning products training on Lennox Learning Solutions. Thank you for watching.